guys, I'm going to show you how to get G major. How to make G major on Kinemaster. First, open CapCut. Yep, it doesn't rotate, so I'll keep it like that. And then you go to here and click your video. I'm the one to choose this one, for example. And then you can click on adjust. Click on adjust. And then scroll all the way to graphics and then do this. If this could help you, like and subscribe. So we're almost there inverting the colors, yeah. I'm gonna invert them. We're gonna invert them all. And then the last one is the blue part. And boom, this is how you invert the color. And then the second step is to save it. Okay, here's the preview. Alright, so just gonna go create new and click on here. Select your video you posted. Yeah, I use CapCut, so just cut that part out. Yeah, and now we can do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I had to do it to add the pitch. Yeah, do it 6 times. And now you can this. It's 95. Maybe 95. Wait, it's 6, 5, 5. And then monster. And then you click on voice changer and do a monster. This. Alright. And then the second one is going to be keep it like wait, what did he put? Yep, and then you can do alright, just do the number 5. Do number 5. I never did them just now. Right, enter it. This we have to skip this to keep it at more. Alright, it's only 4. The fifth one is chipmunk. And then you can click on, what's the last one? It's gonna be this is chipmunk, and what's the last? It's +5. Alright, and then you have to download the video. And boom, this is how you do it.